Hey, good morning guys, I'm down on Unity Beach with the lovely Shane. We're doing a video of an ABI Ambleside. What size is it? Is it 40 foot?
I'm going to say 42 by
13,
mate, this one, yeah.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
It's beautiful, mate. It's very high spec.
The year is 2016?
17.
17. God, you're easing power of knowledge. How much are we going to sell it for?
59,995, what do you reckon?
I think we'll do it cheaper, 54,995.
Oh, get on, Lodge.
Come on.
Flipping heck.
Mate,
You're in a good mood.
mate, we've got the exhibition this weekend.
We have.
Listen,
Bargain
54,995, and it comes with a used decking, and Kevin's going to sort that, the main man in reception. He's our main man. He's the main man. What's your phone number?
07813 967 436.
You can imagine it with a decking though on the new development.
100%, mate. Look lovely.
Wouldn't it look nice?
Beautiful, stunning.
Look at it, lovely upholstery, beautiful. It's been well looked after.
It has, hasn't it?
Beautiful. What I like about this is the farmhouse effect.
I love it, mate. The Amblesides are really popular. A really popular van. And you can see why.
The double doors to it.
Yeah, and that kitchen is just stunning.
I like the way this is set out because the kids can eat drop your bean on the floor and chicken, and you can just serve it up.
You can.
I've got 3 kids myself, so I know what it's like. Yeah. And I've always stayed in holiday homes. I've always worked on parks. Nice fridge freezer, 2017. I mean, it's a bargain.
Oh, washing
Washing
machine.
machine over there, nice.
Is it? You know that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's handy.
Look at that.
I put that in my van.
Dishwasher as well.
Wow, that's fantastic.
5-ring gas burner.
5?
Yeah, mate.
Wow, with extractor fan.
Yeah, nice.
So, is it residential spec?
It is, mate, yes.
I've ordered all new sockets to match.
Yeah,
Everything,
all new
just in
sockets
case anyone notices and pulls me up there. Have a quick look down the back. For 3 bed, it's very, very spacious. There's all new mattresses coming, Kev. And all new carpets, okay? Alright, so I've got all mattresses coming, all carpets. These go together. I've got all new sockets coming. Everything. That's been changed. I've ordered the mattress for that from a company called Caravan on the park. So how many toilets has this got?
2 toilets, Nigel.
2, yeah?
2 toilet, shower room.
Do you want to have a look at the outside?
Toilet there, yeah.
It's cladded. This is the style this weekend, wasn't it?
Yeah, some speeds and
You're kidding me.
radio over there.
That's nice, isn't it?
So new carpets, new mattresses, new bed frame, decking. Mate, this is...
What about the Bluetooth speakers in the roof?
Just mentioned that one, mate.
Did you?
Yeah.
A bit slow there.
54.99. Mate, this is a bargain, this.
Have a quick look outside round it, and then we'll do another one inside in a minute.
I think I know someone for this.
Who's that?
I've got someone on the books that will want this. Caroline.
This is cladded, yeah? Galvanised, right? Big open doors. What do you think?
I think it's lovely.
Give it a good clean off outside.
Did we give him your phone number, didn't we?
Yeah, we'll let them have it again though.
Yeah, go on then.
07813 967 436.
Now listen, this is the main man. Hook him up, contact him, come down. If this isn't the right van for you, we've got a couple there and a couple up there for sale. And we're virtually sold out of pictures. So come down to Unity Beach in Somerset, just off the M5. And thanks for watching.